What's up everybody, my name is Michael Gardner, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you a secret way to get e-commerce clients for your e-commerce social media marketing agency. Now before we get into it, make sure to go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because I'm sharing a tactic, trick, secret that I haven't heard talked about on YouTube, and it's so simple that you will be shocked you haven't thought of it. But it's gonna help you a ton, and it's gonna land you some meetings and maybe even a client, so stay tuned. All right, so this is probably the easiest way to get a e-commerce prospect on the phone. This method is not scalable. However, you can get 3 to 5, maybe 10 meetings doing this, depending person to person. Now, what is this? It's reaching out to companies whose products you already own. Now, I'm not talking GoPro like I'm recording, or Lenovo or Omega like my watch. None of these massive companies. You know, when I say massive, I mean like Nike, Abercrombie and Fitch, like massive. It can be big companies, but just not massive. And what you're gonna do is you're going to cold email them, but you're going to hook them with your experiences with their products. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and pause the camera and try to find 3 things just in my Airbnb. I'm living out of a suitcase right now, guys. If I can find things in my Airbnb out of a suitcase, then I guarantee you can find 20, 30 things at home. So, pausing the video and I'll be right back. Okay, so literally in under a minute, I have 4 things. Now, I could probably find 20. And again, I'm living out of a suitcase. It's not that difficult. So we're gonna go through the 4 things that I found. 1, my wallet is made by a small leatherwork company. I'm not gonna say the name because I don't need you guys emailing them, because that's my job. However, they have like 10K followers on Instagram, probably doing 20, 30K a month in revenue, and they'd be a really good client. And I'll get into how to reach out to them, but there's my first item. Second, I bought this cross necklace off a jewelry website, and they have like 50K on IG, and I guarantee they're probably doing 20K plus a month, so they'd be a qualified client. Next is my t-shirt. This is a like Christian streetwear brand that I know for a fact is doing all right because they are a client of mine. They were a client of mine, but I could reach out to them again, or plenty of other clothing that would work. Lastly, my skateboard. It's made by a local skate shop that also has an e-commerce sector of their business. 4 things right there. Now, let's get into how to reach out to them. So, starting with the subject line, I would reach out and say my experience with product. My experience with name of my shirt, name of my wallet, name of my necklace, or I love my name of company, necklace company. Or I've been riding a name of skateboard for 2 years, whatever it could be. We want to get their attention. And the way I normally start it out is I find their information just like you find them a lead. You find their business name, their personal email, you find their first and last name. Something like, hey name, I just wanted to let you know that I've been using X for length and my experience of it. I wanted to record a quick video explaining how much I love the product, and also a couple ideas I had, since I am a user and I think these would be really applicable to your business. Record a screen recorded video. My webcam's right here. I'm talking about my product right here. First of all, talk about how you use the product, how you like it, your favorite things of it, how long you've had it, flatter them, and then say, by the way, I happen to be a marketer and I had a few ideas that I thought would make sense, especially after knowing how great of a product you have. I hate to see you guys being beaten by competitors with far subpar products. So I would then go and talk about a normal pitch, like you're not running Facebook ads, your Facebook ads aren't optimized, you're not running enough ads, you're not posting on social media, whatever it might be. Sneak your pitch in. And then at the end say, well, if you want to talk to somebody who has had your product, has great ideas, and be happy to share them, then go ahead and feel free to book in my calendar. I'd love to talk to you. Then just leave your email signature and send it. Follow up one time. Hey name, I'm sure you're busy. Just want to make sure it's getting lost in your inbox. One more time. Follow up. Hey name, I know you're busy. I want to make sure you saw my video because I'd really love to share my thoughts on your product. Follow up 3 or 4 times. Do this for 50 products. I would be shocked if people don't respond to you. They're ignoring their customers if they're ignoring you. They're not ignoring just a marketer. You happen to be a marketer, but they're ignoring their customers. So they're very likely to respond. This works really well. Don't be lazy. Go around your house, get some stuff, make some videos, and comment below if this worked for you, if you tried it. Now, if you want more videos like this related to outreach, I have a bunch more being recorded. So make sure to go ahead and subscribe if you want to get more meetings, and leave this video a like if you found it was cool. Thanks for watching, and go do your outreach.